What's going on, my beautiful bees? We be rising every day. Hope you guys are doing well. There's been so much going on with everyone this year, and I thought we would do more recipes, do more fun activities together to bring up the spirit here. And today we're making one of my favorite recipes. This is gluten-free banana chocolate chip muffins. For this recipe, you'll want to preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, my friends, we got the fire going, and it's time to bake. So, what you will need is a muffin pan. I greased this because I ran out of muffin cups. So do whatever you can. And here are the ingredients. So what we're gonna do is, typically for the dry ingredients I just throw in the blender, but for measurement's sake I thought I would lay it out here. We got 2 cups of oats. I have a tablespoon of cinnamon on top there. I have about a half a cup of bran, and I feel like bran is really good for you, really good for adding extra fiber in your diet, helps clean your colon. We have, we got a teaspoon of baking soda, baking powder. I have here 2 tablespoons of flax meal, and we're just gonna blend up all these dry ingredients in the blender, so I'll show you guys that. And then here I have a half a cup of maple syrup. We got 3 ripe bananas, and I got a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Oh no, sorry, this is avocado oil. You can use coconut oil. I prefer to use coconut oil, but I ran out. Sometimes I do use applesauce instead of oil. So there's lots of alternatives you can do to make this recipe even healthier. But I find a little bit of oil in the diet, you know, is okay. And then I use these, we're gonna use half a cup of these dairy-free chocolate chips. So I really like this brand, so we're gonna go with these guys. So if you don't have oat flour, that is okay, because if you have a high-speed blender, like this Vitamix here, it'll blend it into the flour. So we're just going to pour everything, all the dry ingredients. We got the bran, the oats, the baking powder, we got the baking soda, the flax meal, and we are going to blend this up on high speed. I'll show you guys what that looks like. Right, here is our dry ingredients. So that's the oats blended up, and then here are the wet ingredients. I mashed the banana, added in the maple syrup, we got the avocado oil in there, and I'm also going to add in, I have a whole lemon here. I'm gonna add in a little bit of lemon juice, and I find it just brings out the taste. So we're gonna be adding about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Lemon, as you guys know, brings out flavor, so we're going to add that in. We're gonna mix this all up, and then I'm going to add the dry ingredients in here and mix it up, and then we'll add in the chocolate chips. So little by little I add the dry ingredients into the wet mixture, and then we will just continue to mix. Here is the mixture. Now we're going to add in our half a cup of chocolate chips, and we'll just mix this in. Okay, so here are the muffins ready to go in the oven. We're gonna put them in for about 20 to 25 minutes. We'll check on them after 20 minutes just to see how they're doing. Well, I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I certainly love it. And if you want more healthy, whole, delicious recipes, check out my Healthy for Recipes Life ebook. It is 40% off right now, and there are lots of great recipes just like this one. I hope you guys have a great day, and as always, be yourself, be getting in some whole healthy foods and some nature. When you do that, we'll all be rising.